Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are talking about IKEA door hinges. And in this video we're going to run you through the steps on how to install them on the actual door. Let's do it. Here's door number one, and we chose the 93-inch door, and to gain access to the slots that the hinges go into, we have to turn this door over. Door's been turned over. Now we have access to each of those slots. Again, that is where the hinges will go into and be screwed down in. Here's bag number one. Let's go ahead and open it up and gain access to the hinges. Here are all the hinges out of the bag, and we purchased these soft closing hinges, which are awesome. They're a little more pricey, but in my opinion, they are well worth the price. You've got two additional adapters that will go into these hinges, and you've got two additional adapters that go into hinges without the soft closing feature. I'll show you exactly where these go and where these go, as well as all four of those. At the end of the project, these are the little cushion tabs that will be on the bottom portion of the door and the top to alleviate the wood rubbing against the wood during opening and closing. What I did next was position each hinge where they will be installed and secured. On the very bottom, you have one of these soft closing feature hinges that will be installed there. Moving toward the middle, you have both hinges that do not have the soft closing feature. And then all the way up to the top, you have the second soft closing feature hinge. Starting back down at the very bottom, we are going to carefully insert this hinge into its slot, and you can see these Phillips screws will line up with each hole. Go ahead and secure each Phillips screw. And my number one recommendation, stay away from power tools. Insert and secure all these hinges manually. First hinge is on, secure, and completely flush with the wood. Now let's head up the door to the middle hinges. And let's tighten all four screws. Both middle hinges are secure. Let's head to the top hinge. All four hinges on and secure. Now let's direct our attention back to the actual connections where the hinges that we just installed on the door will attach to on the actual storage unit. What we need to do at this point is install those on the storage unit, not the doors. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.